Stop saying these 6 words to God in prayer. They may sound harmless, but they quietly reveal doubt instead of trust. Prayer is not about finding perfect words. It is about trusting God with an honest and faithful heart. The first word you should stop saying is maybe. Faith begins where doubt ends and complete trust begins. When you keep saying maybe, your heart focuses on fear instead of believing that God is able to do the impossible. Every prayer should be filled with confidence, not uncertainty. Trust God's promises more than your own fears. The second word you should stop saying is if. Real faith trusts God before seeing the answer. Stop praying, if you can help me. Instead, pray with confidence because nothing is impossible for God. The third word you should stop saying is later. Delayed obedience often becomes missed opportunities. God calls us to obey today. Tomorrow is never guaranteed to anyone. The fourth word you should stop saying is why me? Instead, ask God what He wants to teach you through this season. The fifth word you should stop saying is impossible. Nothing is impossible for God when you trust Him completely. God is not limited by your situation. He is greater than every obstacle standing before you. The sixth word you should stop saying is give up. God has never stopped working even when you cannot see it. Your breakthrough could be closer than you think. Keep praying, keep believing, and never lose hope. Every word you speak in prayer matters. Choose words of faith, because God listens to every sincere prayer. Every prayer should bring you closer to God. Never let fear become louder than your faith. God hears every sincere prayer. He understands your heart even before you speak. Choose words filled with faith. Leave every doubt at God's feet. God responds to faith, not fear. Trust Him even when you cannot see the answer. Replace doubt with faith today. Your prayers become stronger when your trust grows stronger. The words you choose in prayer reveal your heart. Let every prayer be filled with faith instead of fear. Every prayer is an opportunity to trust God more. Never let doubt become your daily habit. Pray with confidence because God is listening. He's always faithful to those who trust Him. Lord, teach me to pray with faith instead of fear. Help me trust You with all my heart every single day. If this message blessed you, comment Amen below. Subscribe to the Saint Jesus for more biblical wisdom and share this message with someone who needs it today.